Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can do the new Grow a Garden update. It is called the Garden Games. As you can see here, there is like a spinning wheel in the middle. Here is where you can purchase the carrot coins. Don't worry, you're able to get it for free. So if you are lazy, you are able to purchase it using Roblox. But if you want it for free, you can go to Greg, show me the quest list, and you're also able to get carrot coins by these quests. It says play with a friend, harvest 20 blueberries, plant 10 mushroom seeds, carrot seeds, and tomatoes. You don't have a lot here, but here I have 0. Okay, so I'll have to do these quests first. Sorry, I'm a little bit sleepy. It's 1 a.m. But I'll have to do those quests in order to get carrot coins to spin the wheel. And that is pretty much it. Okay, you know what? Let's spin a wheel right now because I just did one. So let's just go to the wheel. Oh, I have to claim it first. Okay, so claim it first and then go to the middle and then spin it and let's see what I get. Ooh, a carnival crate. Okay, that is pretty much it, really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.